Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, September the 27th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. 3 regular puzzles, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are, let me see, 7 extra puzzles, the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku with 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've heard on the TV, the data of the Dutch police is hacked. Yes, data is hacked. So now someone knows all the names of the police, women and men. All right. Let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku. Let me make here some room. The first one is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 9340. 9340. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? Well, we don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. We have 1 in this column, 1 in the... So we 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column the only place level 1. Shoot there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5, the 7, 5, the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2, 2, 6, 6, 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in this. Oh no. 3. I need to wait here. How about the number? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Well. 5, 5, need a 5 there. Come on. Taking too long. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. Then 4, need 8. 5 in this row. Third row, 5 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. So we need a 5 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the last row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. Well, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the third row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. 9, 9. Then, let me see. 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here, there. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need 3 here. Need a 3 there. And I need a 4 here. Come on. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. I'm thinking. 8, 8. 6, 5, 4. Yeah. I need a 2. Ay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. On there, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Come on. Need a 6 there. 8, 3, 2. Come on. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in the middle column, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. Here we have 3 and 8, here should be also 3 and 8 in this row, okay. Then, need a 9 here, need a 6 there. Well, need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 2 and a 9. Well, 9, 9. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as up here. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Here, same numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So now we have a pair here. Here also a pair. That means the other 2 should be the 3 and the 8 here. Yep. 2 and a 9 and a 3 and 8. So here we have a pair. Alright, 3, 8. Need a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, give me 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. The only place left of the 5 should be there then. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 5. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left of 6 should be there. And then 6, 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. So the 2 and the 9 are left now in the third row. 2 and the 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes at there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 9. How about 6, 6, okay. 3, 8, and the 4. 3, 8, and 4. 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 1 number left in this row for number 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 1 number left in the third column, I believe the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. So here should be also 8 and a 6 in the last row. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 3 and 8, need to wait. 3 and 8, need to wait. No, well, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 3 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, not faster than 15 minutes. Well, let me give this 2 stars. Yeah. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.